In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom property in HubSpot. Whether you're managing your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, having the right properties in place can make a world of difference in how you handle your data. So let's dive into the process step by step and ensure that you can customize your HubSpot experience efficiently. First, we'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head on over to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. This is your gateway to managing and organizing everything within HubSpot. From there, look for the Properties section in the left sidebar. This is where all data points are stored and managed, including the custom properties you're going to create soon. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Property button. Here, you will start defining the new custom property that suits your particular needs. But before you start creating, you'll need to decide what object this property will belong to. HubSpot allows you to apply custom properties to different objects such as contact, company, deal, or ticket. Choose the option that appropriately matches your needs, as this will help in managing and filtering your data moving forward. Now let's get into the specifics of defining your custom property. This step is critical because it lays the foundation for how the data will be captured and used. Start by giving your property a clear and concise label. This is how you'll find and identify it later, so make sure it accurately reflects the information you're intending to capture. Next, provide a short description. This brief text can serve as a helpful reminder of what the property is used for or how it should be used by anyone else on your team. Then it's time to set the field type. HubSpot provides several options here. You may choose from text, number, or dropdown, among others, depending on what kind of data you wish to collect. For instance, a text field might be used for free-form responses, whereas a dropdown would be suitable for predefined choices. If you're going with a dropdown, don't forget to define the available options to streamline data entry and minimize potential errors. Once you have all that squared away, make sure you save your new property. With just a few clicks, you'll have taken an important step toward custom tailoring your HubSpot account to serve your unique business needs. After saving, consider adding this property to relevant forms or views, ensuring that it can be utilized where needed across your organization. Custom properties aren't just for organizational neatness. They can be powerful tools for segmentation, workflows, and reporting. By using them strategically, you can streamline your processes and unleash the full potential of HubSpot in tracking and analyzing the data that truly matters to your business goals. Thanks for joining me today. And now you have everything you need to create custom properties in HubSpot, empowering you to better segment, automate, and understand your data. Happy customizing!